Hi guys, just a quick DIY unboxing today. Well, more of a review on today's products. I've been using this for a while. It's great for woodwork. You can get in small holes to actually make marks. It's like a mechanical pencil, which is really useful, so you're not having to constantly mess about getting the right pencil. But something that I did notice, this is like my longest, thinnest pencil that I have, but it still wouldn't go through these screw holes. It comes with a belt clip and a nice little pencil sharpener that's attached to it just to get that really fine point. But like I said, it doesn't go through all screw holes. Then I found this beauty. This is amazing, and doesn't matter how dirty the workshop is or what you're marking, basically press this on the top. It's like a little aerosol and it leaves a perfect mark where you need to put it. It does leave some residue, so obviously that needs to be wiped off straight away. Next, we're going on to some Amazon basic snips. I've actually got the Stanley version, but I quite like these because there's a left, a right and a centre, so as you can see these are slightly curved on the top. And it just allows you to get into different areas that you can with the ones that are straight. They seem to perform just as good as the Stanley ones, and there was a fraction of the price. I think all three of these were less than the cost of the Stanley ones that I bought. I've owned these for a while now. I've been using them quite regular and they seem to stay sharp and don't have any issues with them. They're a bit stiff when you first start using them, but they do free up over time, and they've cut everything from thin metal to cardboard, plastics, everything. Now these need a mention because I've scoured all over the place for work gloves. One, to keep my hands safe, and two, so I can actually feel through them. These are a really good fit, and they protect your hands. I've had blades come across them and they've not even sliced the material. But the good thing about them is you can actually move and bend and you can feel what you're actually holding, rather than it being just like a great big glove. Just a few quick products there that I thought I'd share with you. It's only a quick video today, but please do me a favour by liking and subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you get notified of any new videos. Thanks for watching everybody, bye!